Hello friends, this is my first video, and today I want to analyze in detail why Bitcoin is likely to drop to the level of $50,000. There are so many opinions around now. Some shout growth, others collapse, but almost no one gives real, structured arguments. I've been on the market for 9 years now. I started with Forex, then I completely switched to crypto, and believe me, cycles are something that repeats, and they can be predicted. If you look at the Bitcoin chart over the past few years, it becomes obvious that the market is moving in certain patterns. Now we see how history is almost literally repeating itself. The movement from 2021 to 2022 is almost mirrored in the current dynamics. It's not just a coincidence, it's a cycle that works like a clock. 2026 is a difficult year. I predicted that we would face many crises, geopolitical conflicts, economic upheavals, epidemics, and pandemics. All this puts pressure on the markets, and cryptocurrency is no exception here. Based on this analysis, I opened a short position on Bitcoin back in January. Since then, we have seen a gradual decline, which confirms my expectations. We are now in the middle of May, and the market is starting to break down the key support zones that I noted at the beginning of the year. These levels are critical points for understanding where the price will move next. I would not recommend considering long positions for the next 2 weeks. The upward movement is still being held back by fundamental factors and technical patterns. The main peak of the fall, as it seems to me, will occur by the middle of summer. Why is this important? Because understanding cycles allows you not just to follow the crowd, but to really manage your strategy. Those who enter the market at peak times often lose money, and those who understand where the market phase is located can earn a steady income. Now, many people have a question. Is it worth buying at all? Answer, yes, but you need to know the entry point. According to my forecasts, closer to autumn, and maybe even in September, there will be a great opportunity to buy on the spot market. Why exactly then? Because next year, according to the cycles, a new super cycle awaits us, a period when the price may rise significantly. It is at this time that you can get the maximum profit by entering the market at the beginning of a strong trend. I also want to say that on this channel, I plan to review the crypto market and the stock market, and sometimes I will make mischief about gold because it gives off some kind of structure that will also affect the crypto scene. In the future, I plan to create a large community of like-minded people. So if you are interested in this topic and you really want to earn money instead of looking at pictures, I am waiting for you all. Subscribe to my channel. So 2 practical tips that will help to really change the approach to investments. 1. Short Bitcoin until the middle of summer. Use the current phase of the fall. 2. We are buying coins on the spot in September. We are preparing for the next year's super cycle. If you really want, keep an eye on the chart, analyze the support and resistance zones, and don't be fooled by emotions. Cycles repeat themselves, and those who understand this are always one step ahead. The market is not chaos. It is a complex but predictable system, and if you learn to read it, you can use any movement to your advantage.